Our Earth, a unique planet. We have already learned that our Earth, where we all live in, is a planet in the solar system. Our Earth has very special, and so far, a rare quality that it has life on it. No other planet has life on it. Therefore, the Earth is a unique planet. Why does the Earth contain life on it? Let us know it. Our unique Earth. Of the 8 planets, the Earth is unique. The presence of air and water made it unique. Presence of air. Our Earth has a cover of air called atmosphere. The atmosphere contains different gases. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are such gases that help grow and sustain life on the Earth. All the living beings, including human beings, breathe oxygen. Plants need carbon dioxide to prepare food. The atmosphere has nitrogen. Plants use it as a nutrient. In the atmosphere, nitrogen has the highest amount, about 78%, and oxygen is about 21%. The amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere is about 0.03%. Air is thicker close to the surface of the Earth. The higher we go, the thinner it becomes. Presence of water. The surface of the Earth is divided with land and water. The surface of the Earth has more water than land. About 71% of the surface of the Earth is water and about 29% is land. Because of this, the Earth is called the blue planet. The Earth appears blue from space because of the presence of water in such a large amount. Water is essential to grow and sustain life. It is believed that life first originated in water, then it spread over land. All the living beings, including human beings and plants, need water. No other planet, so far we have learned, has water and air that can support life on it. Therefore, the Earth is a unique planet. Distance from the Sun. The Earth is at the 3rd position from the Sun. The distance between the Sun and the Earth is about 15 crore kilometers. Because of this distance, our Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. Rather, the temperature on the Earth is ideal to sustain life on it. Other planets are either too hot or too cold to grow and sustain life on them. Shape of the Earth. For a long period of time, people had no idea about the shape of the Earth. Till a few hundred years ago, people believed that the Earth was flat in shape. People feared to go far because of falling from the Earth at its edge. Now, it has been proved that our Earth is round in shape. The Earth is inflated on left and right and deflated a little on the top and at the bottom. This shape is particularly called sphere. Many people have proved it that the Earth is round by sailing on the sea, starting from a point, port, and returning to the same point, port. Had the Earth been flat, it would never have happened. Photographs taken in space show that the Earth is round in shape.